Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super handy tutorial, how to add your flight ticket to Apple Wallet in 2025. Whether you're a frequent flyer or just planning your next trip, this feature makes managing your boarding passes a breeze. It's all about convenience. Think quick access to your tickets, real-time updates on gate changes, and even boarding reminders right on your iPhone. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of iOS installed on your device, as Apple Wallet features are always evolving. Start by opening the email or app where you received your flight ticket. Most major airlines like Delta, United, or American Airlines support this, so look for that familiar Add to Apple Wallet button. It's usually right there on your ticket confirmation. Once you spot it, give it a tap. You'll be prompted to confirm adding the ticket. Go ahead and select Add, and voila, your flight details will pop up in the Wallet app. But wait, there's more. Double-check that your ticket includes all the essentials like your flight number, departure time, and gate info. If it's not showing up correctly, try refreshing the app or restarting your phone. Now, for a pro tip. Enable notifications in Settings, Wallet and Apple Pay to get live updates on your flight status. This is a game changer for avoiding delays or last-minute changes. And if you're traveling internationally, ensure your airline supports Apple Wallet in that region. Most do by 2025, but it's always good to verify. Wrapping this up, adding your flight ticket to Apple Wallet is quick, secure, and oh so convenient. Give it a try on your next booking and thank us later. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.